Welcome back to Natural Health Secrets, where we explore natural remedies for better health. Today, we're diving into a topic that many people deal with every day, acid reflux. If you've ever experienced that burning sensation in your chest or throat, and especially after eating, you know how uncomfortable and disruptive acid reflux can be. But did you know that certain vitamins can help ease those symptoms naturally? In today's video, we'll look at the 6 key vitamins that can help calm acid reflux and support healthy digestion without the need for harsh medications. Stick around to learn how these vitamins work and how you can incorporate them into your routine to get long-lasting relief. Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to Natural Health Secrets for more natural remedies and health tips. Let's get started. Understanding acid reflux, why it happens. Before we dive into the vitamins that can help, it's important to understand what's going on with acid reflux. Also known as gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, acid reflux happens when the contents of your stomach, including stomach acid, flow back up into your esophagus. This can cause symptoms like a burning sensation in the chest, heartburn, a sour taste in the mouth, difficulty swallowing, persistent cough, or sore throat. The root of the problem often lies in a weakened lower esophageal sphincter, LES, the muscle that acts as a valve between your stomach and esophagus. When this valve doesn't close properly, stomach acid can leak back into the esophagus, causing discomfort. Many common triggers like eating spicy or fatty foods, lying down right after eating, and even stress can make acid reflux worse. But here's where vitamins come in. Certain vitamins have been shown to strengthen the digestive system, reduce inflammation, and support proper digestion, all of which help reduce acid reflux symptoms. Let's explore the 6 vitamins that can help you manage acid reflux naturally. 1. Vitamin D, supporting digestive health and immune function. Vitamin D is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system, and it plays a key role in preventing acid reflux. Research shows that low levels of vitamin D are linked to an increased risk of GERD and other digestive issues. Vitamin D helps reduce inflammation in the esophagus and improves the body's immune response, which can reduce the occurrence of acid reflux. A study published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology found that individuals with vitamin D deficiency were more likely to suffer from severe GERD symptoms. By ensuring adequate vitamin D levels, you can help maintain a healthy esophagus and reduce inflammation. How to get it? You can boost your vitamin D levels by spending time in the sun, taking vitamin D supplements, or eating foods rich in vitamin D like fatty fish, salmon, tuna, fortified dairy products, and eggs. 2. Vitamin B12, boosting energy and preventing acid reflux. Vitamin B12 is crucial for digestive health, and studies show that low levels of B12 may contribute to acid reflux symptoms. Many people who take medications like proton pump inhibitors, PPIs, to reduce stomach acid may also experience low B12 levels because these medications interfere with the body's ability to absorb this vitamin. Vitamin B12 helps produce red blood cells and supports the function of the nervous system, including the muscles in the esophagus. When B12 levels are optimal, your body is better able to regulate digestion and prevent acid from creeping up into the esophagus. A report from the Journal of the American Medical Association suggests that long-term use of acid-reducing medications can lead to vitamin B12 deficiency, which may exacerbate reflux symptoms. How to get it? Incorporate B12-rich foods like fish, poultry, eggs, and fortified cereals into your diet. You can also take a vitamin B12 supplement, especially if you've been on acid-reducing medications for a long time. 3. Vitamin C, reducing inflammation and supporting healing. Vitamin C is well known for its immune-boosting properties, but did you know it can also help with acid reflux? Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation in the esophagus and may promote the healing of damaged tissue caused by stomach acid. Additionally, vitamin C supports the overall function of the digestive system. However, it's important to note that some forms of vitamin C, like citrus fruits, can trigger reflux in sensitive individuals. Therefore, you may want to choose non-citrus sources of vitamin C to get its benefits without the risk of irritating your stomach. Dr. Susan Blum, a functional medicine expert, explains, vitamin C is essential for tissue repair and inflammation control, making it a great natural option for people with acid reflux. Just be mindful of how your body reacts to different sources. How to get it. Opt for vitamin C-rich foods that are less likely to trigger acid reflux, such as bell peppers, broccoli, kale, and strawberries. If you're sensitive to citrus, consider taking a buffered vitamin C supplement. 4. Vitamin E, protecting the esophagus from acid damage. Vitamin E is another powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage, including the delicate lining of the esophagus. When stomach acid comes into contact with the esophagus, it can cause irritation and lead to more frequent acid reflux episodes. Vitamin E can help soothe and repair the lining, reducing inflammation and promoting healing. According to research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, vitamin E's antioxidant properties can neutralize harmful free radicals in the digestive system, preventing further damage and discomfort caused by acid reflux. How to get it. Incorporate vitamin E-rich foods into your diet, such as nuts, almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados. You can also take a vitamin E supplement, but always check with a healthcare provider before starting a new supplement. 5. Vitamin A, supporting mucosal health. Vitamin A plays a critical role in maintaining the health of the mucous membranes that line your digestive tract, including the esophagus. When the mucosal lining is healthy, it acts as a protective barrier against stomach acid, reducing the chances of irritation and reflux. Vitamin A also supports the repair of any damage caused by acid reflux. A study published in Digestive Diseases and Sciences suggests that adequate vitamin A levels can help reduce the severity of GERD by improving mucosal defense and supporting tissue repair in the digestive system. How to get it. Boost your vitamin A intake by eating foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, leafy greens, and liver. Vitamin A is fat-soluble, so make sure to pair these foods with healthy fats, like olive oil, for better absorption. 6 B-complex vitamins, balancing digestive function. The B-complex vitamins, including B1, B2, B6, and B12, are essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. These vitamins help regulate stomach acid production, reduce inflammation, and promote proper digestion, which can prevent acid reflux from occurring. B vitamins also play a role in managing stress, which is a common trigger for acid reflux. By supporting your body's ability to manage stress and promoting healthy digestion, B-complex vitamins help you prevent and reduce reflux symptoms naturally. Dr. Andrew Weil, a well-known integrative medicine expert, emphasizes that B vitamins are crucial for supporting digestive function and helping the body maintain a balanced stomach environment. How to get it. Include whole grains, leafy vegetables, meat, and eggs in your diet to boost your intake of B vitamins. If needed, a B-complex supplement can help ensure you're getting the full range of B vitamins for digestive health. Additional tips for managing acid reflux naturally. Along with adding these vitamins to your routine, here are a few more natural tips to help manage acid reflux. Eat smaller, more frequent meals. Large meals can put pressure on your LS, making acid reflux worse. Try eating smaller portions throughout the day. Stay upright after meals. Avoid lying down right after eating. Give your body at least 2 to 3 hours to digest food before going to bed. Avoid trigger foods. Common trigger foods include spicy foods, chocolate, caffeine, and fatty or fried items. Pay attention to how different foods affect your reflux. Manage stress. Stress can exacerbate acid reflux, so consider stress relief practices like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Thank you for tuning in to Natural Health Secrets. Acid reflux can be frustrating, but making small changes like adding these 6 key vitamins can make a huge difference in how you feel. By supporting your body with the right nutrients, you can reduce inflammation, promote healing, and take control of your digestive health naturally. Remember, your body is always giving you signals, and it's up to you to listen and make adjustments that support your well-being. Don't forget to subscribe to Natural Health Secrets for more natural health tips and remedies. Let us know in the comments which vitamins you'll be adding to your diet and share your experiences with us. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.